We recognize the fact that healthcare is one of the major issues in the province and certainly in our area as well.
The doctors in our community were reaching a point where they were due for retirement, and they had been a part of the community for a very long time.
We were one of those communities where we saw a diversion of emergency services, on a temporary basis because of a lack of physicians.
We have a large elderly population, and it's a hard thing for them to travel.
We're a long ways from specialists, so to have immediate health care right here at hand is very important for us.
You're always in fear that, what's going to happen? What's going to happen to my aging parents? What's going to happen to my children if I can't have access to that doctor?
It was very necessary to have a good place here to keep doctors. It's a small town, it's hard to keep doctors.
For us to have doctors, to have a hospital, to have the medical care here is very important. It's crucial.
In 2010, Town Council recognized the need to deal with the issue of healthcare. There was a recognized shortage of qualified physicians.
In order to recruit and retain doctors, you were going to have a good facility.
The existing clinic was far too small, crowded. We didn't have any room for expansion.
We had to come up with some method on our own to say, what are we going to do to recruit doctors and to retain them? With that in mind, we set forth and said, well, I guess the first step would be a building.
It's important to recognize that we have developed this without government money.
We had one very generous donation from a local family to start the thing off at $250,000. The Town of Kamsack committed the next $100,000 along with the land. Ben Hootie said, well, our family will throw in $50,000 to get it going, and from there it just took off.
There's a bigger waiting area and more examining rooms, and we have a bigger staff area to work in.
It's easy access, it's on one level, there are no stairs, great for the wheelchairs, for the handy bus.
The staff, the building, the billing, everything about it is taken care of by the foundation. The doctor just has to walk in and start practicing.
The physicians are happier. You see a modern facility that looks like what you could get elsewhere, like in the city.
We've been able to recruit and retain now 4 physicians.
Other communities are watching us to see what we've done and have visited us. In fact, some larger centers as well have come out to see it.
Being rural Saskatchewan, you have to fight for yourselves. We're very lucky to have had the team that we had to get doctors and to retain them.
Anyone I talk to really appreciate what's been done in Kamsack.
It's good for the community, and this is what we need.
Healthcare delivery in Kamsack is at the top notch. And thanks to the community effort in bringing the doctors that we have and the facilities we have.
All we can say is thank you, because we are leaving a monument here. They'll be here for the kids and the people who come after us.